Hey, welcome back, guys. This past weekend I took on a little side job. I had done some work for this gentleman last year, replacing some rotted wood and rotted sheathing on this guy's house. This house looks like it was built maybe 20 years ago, and they did not use any house wrap or felt or any way to protect or ice and water barrier. So this part of the house has a dormer, and the dormer had siding that had become warped and split, and then there was a little bit of water damage to the siding materials. And so one of the things that they had done is they had installed the siding so it was directly in contact with the roof materials. So for this job I went up, removed the damaged siding. I installed a peel and stick flashing tape over the existing step flashing, and then I used 30-pound felt as the barrier under the siding. And the material that I used was the LP SmartSide. So the original material was cedar shakes, but I thought that since he used solid color stain, I thought the SmartSide is supposed to have a good warranty, and it had the cedar texture. So that's it, guys. Check this out. Okay, so now we're installing the LP SmartSide siding, and with this siding you need to maintain a 3/16 gap between any other trim that you're butting up against so you can get caulk in there. And then there were like specific nailing directions on how the nails need to be close to the edge. I'm just face nailing these ones at the end. The other ones, they're going to be like concealed, so they're just nailed along the top. So what I did was I put my first one in, and these are 8-inch boards. So then I knew that the top of my next one, since I have a 6-inch reveal, needed to be 6 inches off. Nope, take that back. 8 inches off the 6-inch reveal marked here. So that was where the first one was. Then after that, it's every 6 inches. So I'm marking this. I'm drawing level lines. I'm also maintaining a gap here between the roof, and these are all, the cut ends are all pre-painted per the LP SmartSide directions to maintain the warranty, to keep the end grain sealed. So now we're just going to go ahead and continue to install siding.